My name's Elliot.
And I'm Dylan.
You must be Chemistry 11.
Did you know in chemistry, one of the very important things is lab projects?
You do a lot of labs, involving chemicals and chemistry-related things like fire and, dangerous things.
And one of the most important things about the labs is lab safety. Now here are a few videos to help you with lab safety.
Hi, my name's Dr. Dunbar.
And I'm Dr. Strut.
Today we're going to be learning about how to be safe in the lab.
Lab safety.
One of the very first things you need to be safe in the lab coats.
Lab coats. You know what else is important to lab safety?
What?
Eyewear.
Safety goggles. When you're smelling chemicals in the lab, you want to do something called wafting. Wafting allows you to smell your chemicals while staying safe and avoiding an overdosage of fumes. Wafting looks like this.
When conducting an experiment, you want to make sure that you have teacher supervision or adult supervision.
When you're in the lab, you're working with a lot of glass objects, such as Erlenmeyer flasks or beakers. If at any point while working, because we all know that accidents happen, something could be dropped and broken. If the slim chance of broken glass in a lab situation occurs, here's what you need to do. First of all, hey, that's pretty good.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Locate all of your broken glass. Next, you want to alert your instructor or your teacher.
Jake!
Jake! I got some broken glass over here! After your instructor or teacher has been alerted, get your broom and dustpan and sweep the glass completely away. Dylan, don't you know that you're not supposed to eat in the lab?
Right.
Can you tell me some of the dangers of eating food in the lab?
Chemicals that are left over from previous labs could be on the food, and I could ingest the poisons.
You don't want to do that.
No. After a lab, you want to clean your equipment, but some equipment will be covered in chemical residue. Some equipments require you to rinse once and put on the drying rack. Some of them require you to rinse with water, then soap. And some of them require water, then water again, then drying rack, as seen here.
Perfectly clean.
See? Perfectly clean.
Water and... what is it called again? Towel, or paper towel, cleans chemical residue very nicely.
Dr. Dunbar and Dr. Strut.
Signing off. Thanks for listening.
Oh,
That was pretty goofy, wasn't it, Dylan?
Really goofy.
But seriously now.
Safety in the lab is very, very important, and you want to make sure to follow those steps very closely. And if you go over any lab safety tips, sheets, or tests over class, you want to make sure to pay close attention to that teacher of yours.
Absolutely. What Dylan just said there pretty much covers safety, and what you saw earlier covers how to properly handle yourself in the lab. Things like making sure you're always wearing your eyewear to block eye concerns, and make sure that you always have your lab coat on when working with dangerous chemicals that could harm you in any way.
And to make sure you don't eat or drink in the lab. That is one bad thing that you do not want to do. Also, if anything is broken or if anyone is injured, immediately inform it to the teacher. And in case of a fire and someone catches on fire, you want to make sure to get the fire blanket and carefully wrap it around them.
Sure you know where your first aid kit is,
You want to know where
And-
your fire blanket is.
You want to know where the fire blanket is. And if you have a really bad accident, such as chemicals contacting a large area of your body,
The
you want to
emergency
make sure
shower.
where your emergency shower is and how to properly use it.
Now that we can trust you out in the field of chemistry and lab safety, you can now venture forth and pursue your science needs. And we can trust that you'll be safe out there.
Remember, friends, you only have one head.